exercise that will improve your posture, make you look better aesthetically, that will help you to fix that ugly muscle imbalances in your back, and most importantly, it will give strength to your rotator cuff muscles, is a face pull. And title of this video was not exaggerated. Face pulls really changed my life, because I used to walk around with that roundy shoulders all the time and I couldn't sit or stand upright more than 30 minutes. And I'm very grateful to Athlean Jeff Cavalier for that video that showed me how to do face pulls that fixed my posture completely. I will leave link to that video in the description. Please check it out to make sure that you are doing your face pulls properly. If during your workouts you are doing a lot of pushing exercises like bench press or overhead press and not nearly enough of pulling exercises, and even if you do like lat pull downs and barbell rows only, yes, they're great exercises, but the problem is that we're not training nearly enough the muscles of our rotator cuff, which are 4, yes, but we need to train only 3 of them, because subscapularis function is internally rotate the shoulder. We are already strong in internal rotation, because every time when we turn our chest, our shoulders, we are internally rotating our shoulders. And we need to train muscles of rotator cuff that are capable of externally rotating the shoulder, which are supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and teres minor. And the weakness in these 3 muscles is detrimental, and not only because posture will suffer. You won't be able to do a bunch of exercises with full range of motion. Believe it or not, you will get bicep impingement, bicep tendon impingement. You will lose strength in various heavy compound exercises, and your shoulders will hurt every time when you will go heavy on any shoulder dominated exercises. And the only way to stop all these bad side effects that we are developing by strengthening our internal rotations and overlooking the value of corrective exercises, and the face pull is by far the best corrective exercise that you can do, because face pull will straighten the chronically weak muscles in your upper back that are getting stretched out all the day as we sit in the slumped position at the computer or driving our cars. You can do it in your house with no equipment at all, and you can do it in the gym. It is a combination of the face pull and overhead trap pull. And the key here is to progressively overload this exercise, because the goal is to strengthen that mid-trap, low-trap, rotator cuff muscles. Yes, you can also use bands. So first of all, set that cable high. If you don't have cable machines, set the band on a pull-up bar or whenever you want. You need to pull and try to act as if you're pointing your thumbs backwards like this. By doing this, you are externally rotating your shoulder. I advise you to use 2 ropes or 1 extra larger rope that will allow you to perform the exercise with better range of motion. So your arms are here, pull them and keep them below the shoulder, not at the shoulder level, okay? You are turning and pulling, and try to squeeze every time when that rope is approaching your face. By squeezing, you are better contracting that mid-trap muscles. And when you are raising your arms up, you are engaging the lower trap muscles. Do it for 10 reps after your every workout. And you don't have excuses to not doing the face pulls if you are training at your home and you don't have that cable machine. Just do it in your doorway, because the mechanics of the exercise are the same. So make sure that you are doing your face pulls anywhere, and you better stay consistent with it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please subscribe to my channel, put your thumbs up below, because it is really the best way to support me, dedicate your life to your purpose, and bye brother.